pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Barbara and I'm a US-based Cameroonian YouTuber, and if you're an oldie, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So as you can tell from the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing my daughter's birthday hair. So I have already washed, conditioned and treated the hair, so I'm just applying some castor oil. It helps to soften the hair, so when I'm combing it's not going to be painful to them. So yeah, I'm dealing with a child's hair, so I have to be careful. So yes guys, I'm just doing something simple, so you're gonna see in the video. Hope you find it helpful, enjoyable. Yes, at one point I was unable to crochet, so I just used a rubber band to do that. You'll see me struggle, so that's an assignment for me. I need to learn how to crochet, because you'll be like, oh, how can she cornrow and don't know how to crochet? It happens guys, like I'm just built like that. So enjoy the video. I'm just parting the hair right now. I want to do like one braid in the middle, the center of her hair, so I can apply like an accessory just to spice up the hair. So you're gonna see. So I had to bribe her with some sun chips, which she's enjoying right now. So I got this accessory from the beauty supply. It comes in like 4 in a pack, so it was really inexpensive. So you're just gonna see. Enjoy the video and don't forget to thumbs up if you find it helpful, and share with your friends and family. And on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Sometimes you wonder, yeah, 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 how we survive, I mean, yeah, 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 yeah. It no be easy, yeah, 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 yeah. Them say we no go make a me, yeah, 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 yeah. Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, well, yeah, 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 yeah. Everybody go talk a me, nobody go help a me, So make you know hear them, make you know mind them. Just dey do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh, 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 we don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh, 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 we don't care what you gon' say. Oh, yeah, make una listen. Whether good or bad, make we thank God, yeah. One day it go better. Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, well, yeah, 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 yeah. Everybody go talk a me, nobody go help a me, So make you know hear them, make you know mind them. Just dey do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh, 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 we don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh, 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 we don't care what you gon' say. Mama, yeah, yeah, yeah. Daddy, yeah, 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 yeah. Sister, yeah, 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 yeah. Brother, yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, zangele, zangele, mama, zangele. Daddy, zangele. Oh, sister, zangele. Brother, zangele. Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, well, yeah, 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 yeah. Everybody go talk a me, nobody go help a me, So make you know hear them, make you know mind them. Just dey do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh, 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 we don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh, oh, we don't care what you gon' say.
So yes guys, as you can see, I'm all done with the hair. I did use a rubber band to attach the attachment, that way so that when I want to go to bed I can take it out. It was easy to do it that way, and I was just doing her baby hair. This is it. It's really lightweight, the attachment is. So how do you think I did, guys? I'm a learner still, but I think I did really good. I'm getting better. So yes guys, she is ready for her birthday pictures, and I had to do a second hair. You know that she's a twin, so I had to do her sister's hair too. She's there again with her son Chips. Yes guys, she probably ate like 2 packs just me doing her hair, but she did good though. She did really good. So yes. And one thing I want to say, like looking at the accessory, I must say it did make a difference. So that's just me attaching a bow just to like zoom the hair a little bit more to give her that princess look. And she is loving it. She was just flaunting with this hair, whipping her hair back and forth. Yes, yes, guys, that baby hair is very, very stubborn. I keep going back with a toothbrush and gel edge control. So please subscribe if you haven't already on this channel. I love you guys so very much, and on that note, again, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're